Watch these explosive adjustments.
Alright.
Oh!
Tilt your chin up a tad bit. Good. Relax this ear.
Oh!
Out. Good.
Oh, man. Damn. Oh.
Oh, shit.
Now you just heard those cracks at the start of the video. That's just a little taster for what we've got coming up. So you want to stick around for the rest of this one because we've got some immense chiropractic adjustments. We post every single day. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out, and let's get into it. Up next, we have Dr. Joe Denke.
Start there. Go ahead. Breathe in and out for me. Pressure here, push, nice and easy, perfect. One more, good, okay, relax. Now, push right here, keep it relaxed. Good, all right. Push here. Relax right there. Pressure in here. That was good. Here. Good. Okay, now slide down just a little bit there. Roll you this way, son. Good. We'll go here. Back over. Breathe out. Good. One more here. Last one. Good. Good. Okay, hands on that head. Good. Come back this way. Good there. I'm gonna go here and very good.
Nice.
Okay, now do the shoulders, so let's turn that way. We'll do it this way like we did last time.
Okay.
Here. Very good. And now this side.
Next up, we have Dr. Alex Tubio.
Relax this. Good. Relax. Just relax. Shoulder. Jelly. Good.
Oh, God.
Oh!
Tilt your chin up a tad bit. Good. Relax this ear.
Yo, I'm like sweating, bro. This is crazy.
Oh, fuck me.
No thanks.
You okay? Mm-hmm. Any pain?
Nope.
No. Good. Breathe air out. Good.
Oh, man. Damn. Oh.
Roll with me. Right up here. Good. Relax. More. There he goes. You alright?
Yeah. Good.
So just relax your shoulders. More. Good.
Oh man, my head still hurts. No, I felt good though.
Relax the side more. There you go.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. Good? Mm-hmm. More. All right. That's good. Lift that chin up. Good. Let's start here. Chin up more. That's good. Good. Yeah. Go on the other side. Right where that arch is. Right there. Hold yourself tighter. Good. Good. Just relax your shoulders more. Good. Oof. Fell down on my back. Yeah.
Oh my God, he lost his accent.
Wow, it's a miracle.
Wow, that was really.
So I just want you to relax as much as you can. Good. Let your stomach relax. Good.
Ooh. Oh man.
That was good. Like I even had a headache before.
Mm-hmm.
Like I feel like my head is releasing.
Hold that right there. Roll with me. This area. See how it moves? That curve moves that way? We're going to be pushing from this side and moving this way. And exhale out. Let that go more. Good. Just right there. It's beautiful. Lift your chin upwards. Nice.
Wow.
Up next, we have Dr. Joseph Cipriano.
And out. One more time, deep breath in and out. Okay. There we go.
That did something down here. It released something. Oh, yep. Right there. What else do you need?
Good. Go face down again for me, please. I'm gonna stabilize on the sacrum. Raise your right leg up for me. Any pain with that?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Raise the left one now. Any pain with that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
And now let's move nicely. And up. Okay, yeah, let your hands just rest.
Thank you.
And rest.
So,
That scared me.
I'm okay, baby.
Like when you
Listen, honey, listen to what I'm about to say. The way that the spine works, honey, there are 3 different sections. So Dr. Cipriano, the top of my spine, where I said it's almost as if it's crunched up because I'm always looking down,
Yep.
all of that just feels elongated, and I'm so thankful right now. I am. Yeah, right in here.
Yeah.
Right where I was like, it's what you call, there was some type of pain. I can feel it like releasing and just like shifting back to where it needs to be completely honest. That works.
If you made it to the end of the video, guys and girls, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.